My carrier thermostat says system malfunction. When I click Next, the screen reads.
Do you know the model of your carrier thermostat? How old is it?
It does not show a model number but is an Infinity control installed in 2013. It says mode is cool but heat pump is off. It says HP July 2, 2021 5:20 a.m. 84 high pressure lockout 4 hours 255 events active.
How long has this been going on with your carrier thermostat? What have you tried so far?
For several weeks, but the malfunction alert sometimes disappears and later comes back on.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hi, my name is Tamar. I'm your personal HVAC/appliance expert on JustAnswer. First of all, I would like to thank you for using JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Please afford me the same patience I will afford you when it comes to responding. I will do my best. Am human, may be in the field, and cannot respond instantaneously. Hope you are doing well today. High pressure lockout means the head pressure got way too high. This is generally caused by a bad fan motor outside, a restriction in the sealed system, or overcharge condition. Unlikely. First thing to do is reset the breakers and see if the outdoor unit fan motor comes on.
The outdoor unit fan motor came on after I reset the breaker. And the thermostat readout now looks normal. But should I expect to have the same problem recur intermittently as in the past few weeks? If so, will the same solution work? Does it suggest I have one of the 3 potential problems you described above? Thanks, David.
Sometimes errors can happen randomly. If it resolves the issue, you should be good to go. If it reoccurs, a tech will be needed.
Okay, thanks, Tamar.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.